What is up, everybody? This is Acorns. It's been probably 2 or 3 weeks since I made the first account, and I invested my first $30. But since then, it's a super conservative account. I made 19 cents in 22 days. There we go, right there. Didn't see that until just now. Awesome. Now, with Acorns, you can link a credit card for roundups. Essentially, you pay $5 for a coffee or whatever. They take 5 cents and put it into the account. It's awesome, but when you already don't have money, you really don't want to spend extra money. And I've been spending a lot on the house that I'm fixing up. So, they also have some extra cash. You can invest more for one-time investments. Any number. You don't just have to invest $100 or $10. You can do another amount with the one-time investment. I'll show you guys in a minute. Earn found money. If you shop through these little tabs here, like Groupon, you actually get 2% of your purchase. If you use Blue Apron, you get $30 off of your purchase. I don't know how many times this works. I haven't used it yet, but I know that you do get some money from that. Now, grow your knowledge is really just reading and all that. This one is how much should you invest? It's really a vague question. But yeah, you could just learn a little bit more about that. Now, let's look at the potential for my $30. At the age of 62, I'll have $58,000. That's not bad. 59,000 rounding up. Not too bad, but really cool. You can change your future from anywhere from a day, a week, a month, $5, yada yada. My plan, I'll be doing about $50 it'll round out to about $40 a week, which would bring my overall projected amount to $383,000 by the age of 62, which is super awesome if everything's good. And you can see the bottom line. It says current 58,000 and where it's expected to hit. Hit this little button here. There we go. The graph starts at your current age and balance, then projects out 50 years. So that's really awesome, very informative. Your past, I invested $30. Total gain/loss was 19 cents, which for a super conservative account is good to me. I mean, again, money is money. That's what you guys need. Now, you also have the home button or the menu tab. That is my email for the actual Acorns account. So if you ever email that account, then that's who you'll get. I don't think I really check it, but if I do, hello. If I don't email you back, you can go to the investment tab. You can link a card like we were just talking about, reoccurring deposits, and one-time deposit, or the other amount. You have roundups, which that's all it is. Link your credit card and debit cards to benefit from roundups and found money. Performance. This is my performance for all time, but in one day it opened at 3012.06 and it closed right there. So that's not bad. Not good, not bad, not great. So yeah, just a very, very slow growth. It's not that bad. I need to put more money into it. I actually will right now. Let's invest a one-time deposit. Hopefully it doesn't show my credit card because that would suck. Let's put $30, confirm, and confirm that. And there we go. So I just invested more. It won't actually show up until that pending everything is done. So that's not bad. And that was the email confirmation. I'm actually just changing that out. Now, with Acorns, if you invite friends for the year of 2018, if you guys want this code, I'll put it in the links below. I'll copy it right now. Starting 2018, right, with $1,000 from us when 10 friends start investing with this month. That's on top of our standard $5 referral. So, if I can get 10 friends to use this account, or use this code, I will give $500 to one of the 10. Straight up, that's how it is. We'll split it, and then I'll put that other $500 maybe into. I want to do giveaways and everything like that for live videos when I actually get my office and everything together. So that'd be really awesome. The next is grow. Actually, found money. That's what I was talking about with that. Grow is just trending topics of investing, reading, and all that kind of fun stuff. You can withdraw at any time. So, say tomorrow my account hits, $33, and I need to get some gas. I can pull it out right then and there. And that is about it. So, thank you so much for watching. I know this is a longer video. Like, favorite, subscribe. Thank you so much for the first Acorns video. And I'll be doing a monthly update. Alright, bye.